Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dictation language on Mac. So Mac allows you to use dictation in multiple languages. So if you regularly speak more than one language, adding additional dictation language can help your Mac to understand and convert your speech more accurately. So if you would like to add a new dictation language, click on the Apple logo at the top left and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Keyboard. Now here make sure you have enabled the toggle right to dictation, and then to add a language, click on the edit button right to languages in dictation section only. Now here select the language you want to use with dictation. You can either scroll and find the language, or you even can search the language here. And to select the language, all you just need to check the box previous to the language and then finally click on OK. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.